Have you ever wondered how your favorite React applications know where to start? It can be a bit of a mystery, right? If you're curious about how React create app and React scripts find the entry point, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the inner workings of React to uncover this secret. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you're following a tutorial and you can't find the configuration details you need. You're not alone in this. Many developers have faced the same question when starting out with React. So let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, how does npm start find the src index.js to start the render? This is a common point of confusion, especially for those new to React. If this sounds like you, stick around as we break it down. Understanding how React locates the entry point is crucial. When you run npm start, it triggers a series of scripts defined in your package.json file. This is where the magic begins, and we'll explore it step by step. And don't go anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how this works, but also gain insights that will make your React development smoother. To understand how React Create app finds the entry point, we first need to look at the package.json file. This file contains important configuration details for the project. Next, the user should locate the script section in the package.json file. This section defines the commands that can be run, including the start command. Now, when the user runs the npm start command, it triggers the React scripts package. This package is responsible for setting up the development server and finding the entry point. Finally, the user should know that React scripts looks for the src index.js file by default. This is the standard entry point for React applications created with Create React App. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of React was released in 2013? It has come a long way since then, evolving into one of the most popular libraries for building user interfaces. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to run the command npm run eject. This will convert your project back to a standard Webpack setup, allowing you to access the configuration files directly. Let's move forward and look at another answer. One alternative approach is to run the command npm run eject. This will create a config folder containing all the configuration files. Inside the path.js file, you can find the default entry point path, and if needed, you can change it there. However, be cautious as this process is irreversible. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your dependencies updated. This ensures that you have the latest features and fixes, making your development experience smoother. And there you have it. Now you know how React Create app and React scripts find the entry point for your React applications. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And remember, happy coding!